You've tuned in to Leverage Your Spark, the podcast that helps businesses optimize their systems to save time and increase productivity so you can work smarter, not harder. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. In this episode, we're continuing our 5-part series on how to make a decision on a tool, app, or software service. This is part 3, where we're focusing on the underappreciated but oh so crucial aspect, adoption. The greatest app or software in the world is useless unless it can actually solve a problem you're having by using it. And I think we're seeing quite a bit of this with AI at the moment. It's exciting! You can do lots of stuff. But can you harness that to create value in your business? That's why evaluating the adoption of a tool is critical. And we've all been there, right? You discover this shiny new app, tool, or software that promises to revolutionize your business. But a few weeks later, you find it collecting digital dust. The issue isn't always the software itself. It's how you adopt and use it within your organization. And that's why today we're exploring how to determine if that tool, app, or software will actually be used by you and your team. Because while choosing the right tool is important, it's only 30% of the value. The remaining 70% lies in how it gets used. And no one wants to waste time and money on tools that don't fit our needs. That's why you can use these 5 steps to ensure you're confidently choosing and using the right software, making your business more efficient and productive. Sound good? Yeah, all right. So how do we evaluate adoption potential? Let's talk through a few steps here. So first, look at your current tech stack. Look at the software you already have. Do you have something that can do the job? Remember, most organizations only use a small fraction of the full capability of their software. And your software solutions are always adding more features and functionality. There's developers back there writing a bunch of stuff, making it do cool stuff. So check out what you already have. If you do need something new, step 2, ask around to your peers before you go down the Google rabbit hole. Most of the time, just getting 2 to 3 options from other business owners or people in your industry will save you days of research and mind-melting comparison charts. All right, so then step 3, of the options available, choose the one that feels easy and that you'll actually use. Most apps have some kind of free trial, so get in and see how it feels to you. Yes, this is important. It's not like nuts and bolts, but it's critical. By following these steps, you will be better equipped to adopt and use the tools that can genuinely benefit your business. No more digital dust collectors. Instead, you'll be leveraging your spark to create a more efficient and productive business. In our next episode, it's part 4 of the 5-part series, where we'll talk about implementation. That is the plan to incorporate your new tool, app, or software service to get the solution you need. If you enjoyed this episode, head on over to leverageYourSpark.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep leveraging your spark to ignite possibility.